Hey everyone, this is gonna be a short exercise video. Why? I'm simply going to modify a code that already exists. There is the code from student A's perspective. Again, we're doing exercise 3.31. This is it right over here. You can pause the video and read it through and then come back to my IDE. Okay, so what I'll simply do here, I'll talk about tiny mistakes that student A did, and we're gonna solve those mistakes. I'm not gonna give out another solution, right? So mistake number one, student A did not take into consideration the fact that it is possible that a user might give us a negative value. So we don't want to play with negative numbers, I guess. Okay, so in order to take care of that, we can simply say if amount is less than 0, then this is what we'll do. Again, this program is exactly the same as what we had previously. That is the code that we gave from student A's perspective. So what we will simply say here, I will simply say system.out.print amount must be negative. The amount to be converted has to be positive, or perhaps can't be negative. Can be. Why can I type properly? Can be negative. Okay, I will then exit my application. System.exit, I'll put a 0. Okay, so this, the part under this if statement starting from line 34 will only get executed if our amount is positive. Otherwise the program will stop. Okay, that was problem number 1. Problem number 2, you see our student A had a solution that did not take care of the fact, take into consideration decimal points. The solutions we had would give answers that are not in correct decimal points. So what I want to do here, I simply want to go system.out.print f, right? When I use printf, and then I'll simply go, I'll put a dollar here, and then 2.1, 2 spaces to the left, 1 space, one number after a decimal point, and then I put a format specifier, then the word is, and then I'll simply go, I want 2 spaces after decimal point. Of course I need a percentage sign here, so I want 2 spaces after a decimal point, 2 numbers after a decimal point, and I'll have to print the word UAN, just like that. Okay, now it's time to put amount converted amount. Done. That should be it. What else is there to do? Nothing, absolutely nothing. Okay, again I've got to replace this with printf. this whole thing. I've got to remove it, and then simply say 2 point 2 point why do I keep forgetting that percentage sign? 2.1 f yen is, put a dollar sign, I'll put a percentage sign, and then 2.2 f. Done. Okay, amount converted amount, that should be it. Okay, now let's try to hit the run button and see what we get. Run. I want to put this again. If you want it to work, even though you did not, even though you gave it some number other than 0 or 1, you can change this part. I'm going to show you the part that you've got to change. This one over here, the one that makes sure that we only work with 0 or 1. You see, for instance, let me just do this so that you guys see. This is for demonstration purposes, you guys. See, it will work with even if we put a 5. Okay, let me just put 6.81. I'll put a 5. Amount, it's 10,000. You see, we get the exact number we expected. Let me try something else. Oh, let me just do this. I want to remove this because we don't necessarily need that. I want to make sure that we work with 0 or 1. Let's just put something else, some random number we want to convert. You see, it works. Oh, why am I getting 2.1 f? It's because I forgot putting the percentage sign. Damn, that was so stupid of me. Right over there, should have put percentage sign. A percentage sign should precede the 2. I'm gonna put the exact numbers I've just put and see what do I get. 1 2 3 999 0, then that number there. Boom. Seems like everything works. This number is rounded to 1 decimal point, and this one here is rounded to 2. So that should be it for this tutorial, you guys. I'll see you on the next one when I actually do exercise 3.32. Cheers, you guys. I'm gone.